YouTubers, Merry Christmas and welcome to Day 4 of Season 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cars diecasts. Today, we're going to take a look at the hauler version of Gale Beaufort, the next-gen igntr Pistoncup hauler from Cars 3. Before we get right into the retrospective and the review, let's start with the unboxing first. Here we have her diecast sealed in, the Cars logo, the red desert background. We have Lightning McQueen in his Cars 3 variant on the left side. The name Gale Beaufort, hauler, and the Mattel logo. And on both sides we've got the Cars logo and the name Gale Beaufort, hauler. And on the back we've got Gale Beaufort hauler itself with Jackson Storm and the red background, Gale Beaufort hauler, and foreign language, the Cars logo, and the Mattel logo, empowering the next generation through play. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. Here we have Gale Beaufort all opened up and out of the package. So, Gale Beaufort is a next-gen hauler who happens to serve as the hauler for Jackson Storm and igntr, and is also the second female hauler after Helena Facho. During her appearance in Cars 3, she was first spotted at Coppercanyonspeedway in 2016 during the Dinoco 400 when Jackson Storm was backing into the trailer after he had won. And then later on, during the 2016 season, she transported him to the Motor Speedway of the South, B&L Grandel Oil Company Raceway, B&L Raceway, Rust Belt Raceway, Georgia Motor Speedway, Data Shift Raceway, Heartland Motor Speedway, and the Los Angeles International Speedway for the Los Angeles 500, where Jackson Storm won all of the last 8 races of the 2016 Pistoncup season. Then in 2017, Gale transferred Storm to the Florida International Superspeedway for the Florida 500 of the 2017 Pistoncup season. And she was also seen in a trailer for Miss Fritter's Racing School. And during her diecast releases, her hauler variant was released a few times. And as you can, and now without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. First, we're going to start off with the First, we're going to start off with Gale Beaufort. Here we've got her grayish black, blackish gray exterior paintwork, her streamlined headlights in the front bumper, the smirking facial expression, and her grille and hood, which is black all over, and her baseball hat, and the black letter S with the blue border lines, and the grille, even though she's a female. And on both sides, we've got the black wall tires with the blackish gray rims. One front wheels fully shown, and the back wheels half covered, and the blue border lines with the bottom being black, overall black and blue border lines, the next gen Pistoncup logo, and the number 2.0 in white. We've got on the back, we've got the trailer hitch and the no mud flaps. On the undercarriage, it says Disney/Pixar, made in Vietnam, Mattel. And that is it for Gale Beaufort. And now I'm gonna show the trailer. So here we've got the trailer. On both sides, we've got the letter S in blue with the half blackish gray and half overall gray. The name tag saying Jackson Storm in blue. The number 2.0 in white. The igntr in blue. And a orange arrow pointing at the bottom. And the trailer hitch. And on the back we've got the taillights in red and the black letter S with blue borderlines and a number 2.0 in white. And as you can see here, the trailer door actually opens. And on the inside, we've got the blue background and the black letter S and a number 2.0 in white. And it even carries Jackson Storm in it. We've got the wheels partially covered and the trailer hitch. And on the undercarriage, it says made in Vietnam. And that is it. So, and let's compare her to the other Gale Beaufort, which is a transforming hauler. This is and as you can see here, both are Gale Beaufort, but there are different versions. Transforming hauler, diecast hauler. While this trailer has an open door, oh, and I forgot to mention the trailer ramp stand. This trailer has the ability to open sideways. So it's goodbye to this Gale Beaufort, hello to this Gale Beaufort. And now let's pull up some of the other haulers. We have Bobby Swift's hauler, Haulin' a Fetch Show, Gray hauler, Chick Hicks's hauler, Wally the Walmart hauler, and Mac. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which Pistoncup hauler is your favorite? For me, I personally gonna go for Mac. Despite that I prefer his Cars 3 variant. And which version of Gale Beaufort do you like better? Is it this one or the transforming hauler playset version? And which car do you wish for me to record for day 5 tomorrow? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below or on the voting poll in the community tab. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for day 5 tomorrow, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas. Goodbye now!